Hi, hello everyone. This is Raghavendra SA. I am from EC department in SVCE. Today I am going to discuss about introduction to civil engineering. Introduction to civil engineering. In that topic, we are going to discuss about subtopics. Mainly, they are scope of civil engineering, branches of civil engineering, different types of material used in construction, types of concrete, structural elements, building components. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the oldest, broadest, and simplest of the various engineering fields. It is mainly related to planning, analyzing, designing, construction, and maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, and other by the use of physical law and mathematical equations. Scope of civil engineering. There are so many types. First type is surveying, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydrolysis and water engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, construction planning and project management, earthquake engineering, remote sensing, and GIS. First, we discuss about surveying. It is a science or art of map marking. It is mainly deals with various type of measurement and plotting of maps. Useless maps are drawn, no development works and construction can be undertaken. Modern instruments are distance, meter, total station, thermodynamic, etc. Modern technologies are photogrammatical and remoting sensing have a modern surveying. Second one is building materials. The materials used for construction of any structures are called as building materials. Shelter is a basic need for every human being. The important factor considered while selecting materials are durability and strength, appearance, cost, availability, and labor equipments. Building materials are mainly divided into two types: natural, sandstone, timber, etc. Arithmetical, bricks, elements, concrete, flooring or roofing tiles, steel, glasses, concrete. Mixture of fine, aggressive, coarse, aggregates, cements, fine agreements. Each particle size less than 4.7 mm is series. Courage arguments. Particle size more than 4.75 mm. Third one, geotechnical engineering. It is mainly deals with the study of soil, its type of soil and their properties. Soil properties may change from place to place, depth to depth, even in the same place, season to season. Any buildings, bridge, dam, retaining wall, etc. consist of components like foundation. Geotechnical engineers analyze the solid to determine its stability to support extreme loads. Proper geotechnical engineering is essential for a safe and secure structure. Fourth one, structure engineering. It deals with the analyzing and design of various structures like steel structures, trusses in industrial buildings, towers, etc. Analyzing, assessing or determining the internal force or stress developed in structural components of any structures due to applied load is called as analyzing. Design, fixing or finding the suitable dimension for structural components of any structure using various methods is called as design. Structural engineering design steel, concrete, or timber formed structures such as tall building and towers, bridges, dam, retaining walls, foundations, stadium. Fifth one, construction planning and project management. Construction management. It deals with the different types of construction of structures like building, roads, bridge, etc. Construction of floating structure. Earlier days, only manpower is utilized for construction, but development of new technology such that manufacture of new machineries like cranes to lift weight, painting machines Plastering machines, concrete or terracing machines have made the construction easy and faster. Planning management. Planning for construction equipment and machinery for construction project deals with planning, scheduling, and executing of construction activities related to the project. Compre- Compresses of material, time, and money management. Sixth one, hydrolysis and water resources and irrigation engineering. Hydrolysis. As we know that water is an important need for all human beings. It's mainly flow, open channel flow, dams, irrigation, hydropower, etc. Applications, determination of fluid properties such as density, vapor, pressure, etc. Water resource and irrigation engineering. It deals with tapping or storaging of water and supplying water to drink purpose and to other domestic purpose. Hence, suitable water resources are identified and it's stored. Seventh one, transportation engineering. It plays a very important role in economical development of countries. It mainly deals with study of existing transportation system and their improving for safe drive. The various modes of transportations are roadway, railway, airway, and waterway. Traffic management includes traffic signal, number of lines, parking facilities, and curves are also a part of transportation engineering. Remote sensing and GIS. This is one of the new fields. The improvement in space technology, availability of GPS enhance the scope of geographical information systems. GI is an high-tech equivalent of maps. It represents a means to locate ourselves in related to the world around us. It deals with the measurement, mapping, monitoring, and modeling of geographical information around us. Earthquake engineering. An earthquake is a sudden and rapid shaking of the ground due to passing of vibration bent caused by the transiting distribution of elastic or gravitational equilibrium of rocks. Earthquake are measured using observation from seismometers. Seismic waves are recorded on instruments called seismographs. Earthquake with magnitude of about 2 or less are usually called micro earthquake, are generally recorded only on local seismic graphs. Next topic, building materials. The building materials we are used in the construction of buildings are bricks, cement and mortar, plain concretes, reinforced and pre-structured concrete, structural steels, construction chemicals. Bricks. Bricks are obtained by molding clay in a rectangular box of uniform size and these blocks. Bricks are of uniform size. They can be properly arranged, lightly wide, and hence bricks replace stones. In the classification, bricks can be broadly divided into two stages: or unburnt and burnt bricks. Unburnt are sun dried with the help of heat received from sun after the process of molding. These bricks can only be used in construction of temporary and cheap structures. Such bricks should not be used at places exposed to heavy rain. Burnt bricks. These bricks used in construction of works are burnt bricks and they are classified into following three categories: first class bricks, second class bricks, third class bricks. Next one, cement. A cement is a binary, a substance used for construction that sets harden and adherence to other materials to bind them together. Types of cements: ordinary fluorinated cements, fluorinated Poland cements, and Polarant slag cements. Grade of cements. The grade of cements is generally different in terms of indications. 3-3 grade cements, 4-3 grade cements, and 5-3 grade cements. Mortar. Mortar is the mixture of cement, sand, and water. Uses of mortar. Mortar is used between the joining of bricks during the construction of wall. It is used in plastering works to hide the joints and to improve appearance. It is used for molding and ornamental purpose. Concretes. Concretes is obtained by mixing cement, fine aggregates, coarse aggregate, and water in a defined proportion. There are mainly three types of cement concrete: plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete, restructured concrete. Plain cement concrete. Plain cement concrete is a construction material composed of cement, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate mixed with water which harden with time. Reinforced cement. Construction has a very high compressive strength but low in tensile strength. Wherever tensile force are involved, like in slabs and beams, it involves recommendance not use plain concrete. So adding steel to the concrete in the solution, as we know, it has high tensile strength and also possessive good compressive strength. Pre-stirred concrete. Pre-stirred concrete is a system device to provide sufficient pre-compressing in the concrete beam by tensioned steel cable or rods that under working condition the concrete has no tensile strength or the tensile strength and so low that no visible cracking occurs. Types of pre-stirrings. Pre-tensioning. In this method, the concrete is pressed with tenside before it is planned it position. Post tension. In this method, pre-stressing is done after the concrete attaining sufficient strength. This method is developed due to wearing. Steel. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon containing carbon from 0.25 to 1.25%. Steel is highly elastic, ductile, malleable, forgivable, and valuable. Types of steel: mild steel, tar steel, high tensile steel. Uses of steel: a structure material is trussed beam and in the form of various sections as a non-construction component for grills, window, doors. Mild steel is used in distribution of steel and tar steel is used as main steel in RC. Next topic, structural elements of a building. First one, foundation, plinth, lintel, checca, masonry walls, columns, beams, slab, staircase. Foundation. A foundation is the lowest part of building structure, resist on soil below ground level. This is the first structure unit of construction for any building construction. Its mainly function is transfer all loads of building through beam and column range, distributing the load evenly and safely to the ground. Types of foundation: shallow foundation, deep foundation. Plinth. Plinth is a part of foundation construction either at or above the ground. Plinth is offset created between ground level and the superstructure of the building. Its main function is to prevent the entry of moisture from the ground surface to the building superstructure. Lintel. Lintel are constructed above the wall, opening lights, door, window, etc. Types of lintel: timber lintel, stone lintel, reinforced brick lintel, steel lintel, RCC lintel. Chejja. This is a structure that is generally constructed above the window and projects outside from the window face. Chejja can also be provided above doors. Advantages of providing chejja: it protects the house from external sunlight. It can be used to place the compress of AC. Chejja serves as a aesthetic decoration to the buildings. Masonry walls. Walls are vertically elements of building which supports the roof. Doors and windows opening are provided in the walls for ventilizing and assist to the building. The main components of masonry walls are masonry units, mud bricks, cement, concrete bricks, hollow bricks. Masonry mods. Mod mortar is used between the joints for the bricklayers. Columns. Columns are vertical members constructed above the ground level to support any structural frames. Columns can be of two types: architectural columns, structural columns. Types of columns: rectangular columns, circular columns, short columns, long columns, column with uniaxial accelerator loading, columns with biaxial external loadings, composite columns. Slabs. Slabs are constructed to provide the flat surface, usually horizontal, in building floors, roofs, bridges, and other types of structures. Types of slabs: one-way slabs, two-way slabs, flat slabs, grid slabs, precast slabs, composite slabs, polo core slabs. Beam. Beam is a horizontal structure member used to carry vertical loads, shear loads, and sometimes horizontal loads. It is a major component of building structure. It mainly used in construction of bridges, trusses, and other structure which carry vertical loads. Staircase. A staircase is a sequence of steps that connect different floors in a building structure. The space occupied by a stairs is called as the stairway. Stairway can be constructed by wood, steel, bricks, or stone. Its main function is to provide an access from one floor to another, to provide a safe means of travel between floors, to provide a suitable means of escape in case of fire. Types of stairs: straight stairs, dodged legal stairs, open naval stair, circular stair, spiral stairs. So all this is all about my video. Thank you.